Okay, this has been charged in the sun for 2 days. When I on, there's no light. There's no light when I on. It has already been charged in the daylight for 2 days. Still, it did not turn on. When I charge with USB, it will light up, but it will not charge by solar. So after 1 hour, it will just no more light. So I think this is faulty. And then I tried also when the sunlight, the light still blink, because you mentioned that when the sunlight, the light will stop blinking, but it does not. I have not even installed, take out the sticker at all, and it's already not working. So yeah, this is faulty. Please send a refund. Thank you.